Welcome back to Pagkaing Pinoy TV. It's me again, Jen, and today I'm going to show you how to make pineapple inipit cake. This is a very easy recipe, and it's a Filipino sponge cake with sweet pineapple filling. Now let's start. Using two bowls, I'm going to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Then I'm going to set it aside. Then I will whisk the egg yolk and pour the evaporated milk. Next, I will gradually add the sifted flour, so it's about 1 cup. Add the cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. I'm gonna whisk it until well blended. Using a stand mixer, I'm going to beat the egg whites at medium speed until pale white and frothy. Add 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1 cup sugar. I'm adding it gradually. I will continue mixing this until stiff peaks form. Next, I'm going to mix the egg yolk mixture. So I'm going to fold 1/3 of the meringue into the butter, then immediately fold the remaining meringue until no more white streaks remain. Prepared 2 baking trays. I grease it with canola spray and lined parchment paper. Now I'm just going to transfer the mixture into the prepared baking trays. Then I will spread it evenly using a spatula or a scraper. Now it's time to bake this, so I'm going to bake it for 12 to 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 302 degrees Fahrenheit. To make the pineapple filling, first I'm going to dilute the cornstarch with water. I'm just gonna whisk it until everything is well dissolved. In a non-stick pan over medium heat, I'm going to pour the pineapple juice, then add the sugar. Mix it until the sugar is dissolved. I'm also adding yellow food coloring, so a few drops based on your preference. Next, add the cornstarch mixture, stir and cook it until it thickens. The consistency should look like this. So now I'm gonna turn off the heat and I will set it aside. Here's the cake, it's now cooked, so I'm going to remove it from the oven and I will let it rest for 5 minutes. Once the cake is ready, flip it over on another tray with parchment paper. Now I'm just gonna peel off the parchment paper on top. Cut the cake into 12 equal square pieces. So we're making 24 pieces for 2 trays. To make individual serving, place each piece on top of a 4x4 inch parchment paper. Scoop a tablespoon of the pineapple filling and put it in the middle. Fold the cake to make a wedge. So I'm going to repeat the same step for the remaining cake. Remember to put the pineapple filling while it's warm to easily fold it in the sponge cake. That's it, guys. This is pineapple inipit cake. It's very easy. I hope you can try this recipe. And if you have any questions, just comment it below. Don't forget to visit our website at www.pagkaingpinoytv.com to get the full recipe. Follow us in Instagram and Facebook page at pagkaingpinoytv1. And don't forget to click on subscribe. Tap the bell icon so you can receive notification when I release new videos. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!